ISO 42001 introduces a new type of management system, the AI Management System, or AMS. Just as ISO 9001 governs quality and ISO 27001 governs information security, an AIMS provides the systematic framework for developing, deploying, and managing AI responsibly across an organization. In this video, we explore what an AIMS is and how it works in practice. Let us get started. Let us begin by defining what an AI management system actually is. An AIMS is a structured management system, not a technology product. An AI management system is a governance framework, a set of policies, processes, roles, and documented evidence that collectively demonstrate the organization manages AI responsibly. It is not a software tool, a platform, or a technical product. Like all ISO management systems, its value lies in the rigor and consistency of the governance activities it requires. ISO 42001 follows the same 10-clause high-level structure used by ISO 27001, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001. This structure maps directly to the Plan Do Check Act cycle. Plan covers clauses 4 through 6, Do covers clause 8, Check covers clause 9, and Act covers clause 10. This architecture makes the AIMS both familiar to existing ISO practitioners and auditable by accredited certification bodies. The scope of an AIMS defines which AI systems fall within its governance boundary. This includes AI systems the organization develops internally, AI services it procures from suppliers, and AI models it deploys in its products or processes. A clearly defined and documented scope is a mandatory requirement of ISO 42001 Clause 4.3 and is one of the first items a certification auditor will examine. One of the most commercially significant features of ISO 42001 is its design compatibility with other ISO management systems. Organizations already certified to ISO 27001 or ISO 9001 can integrate their AIMS using shared policies, objectives, risk processes, internal audit programs, and management review meetings, significantly reducing the additional effort required to achieve AI governance certification. ISO 42001 is explicitly designed to be applicable to organizations of all sizes, in all sectors, and at all stages of AI adoption. Whether an organization operates a single AI-powered product or manages a portfolio of complex machine learning systems across multiple jurisdictions, the standard provides a scalable framework that can be scoped and implemented proportionately. 4 key terms define the AIMS framework. The AI management system is the totality of governance infrastructure an organization builds to meet ISO 42001's requirements. It encompasses leadership commitment, risk management processes, operational controls, monitoring mechanisms, and a culture of continual improvement, all working together to ensure AI systems are governed throughout their lifecycle. Scope definition is one of the most consequential decisions in implementing an AIMS. A scope that is too narrow may miss high-risk AI applications. A scope that is too broad may make implementation unmanageable. ISO 42001 requires the scope to be documented, justified, and available to interested parties, including certification auditors who use it as the baseline for all subsequent audit activities. AI objectives translate the organization's governance commitments into measurable targets. They might include reducing AI-related incidents by a defined percentage, completing impact assessments for all new AI deployments within a set time frame, or achieving a specific supplier AI governance maturity level. Objectives must be monitored, communicated, and reviewed at management review meetings. Documented information is the evidence that the AIMS exists and operates as designed. Without it, governance commitments are just intentions. ISO 42001 specifies both mandatory documented information, such as the AIMS scope, AI policy, and risk assessment results, and additional records that organizations choose to maintain to demonstrate operational control and support internal and external audits. Now let us walk through how an AIMS operates in practice. Running an AIMS requires 4 interconnected governance activities. Establishing context and scope is the starting point for every AIMS implementation. This involves analyzing the organization's internal environment, its AI strategy, existing governance structures and technical capabilities, and its external environment, including regulatory requirements, contractual obligations, and stakeholder expectations. The output is a documented scope statement that defines the governance boundary the AIMS will enforce. Leadership commitment in an AIMS is not symbolic. ISO 42001 Clause 5.1 requires top management to actively demonstrate leadership by establishing the AI policy, assigning governance roles, integrating AI objectives into business planning, and participating in management review. The AI policy itself must be approved at the highest appropriate level, communicated across the organization, and made available to relevant external parties. Operational controls are the governance activities that make the AIMS real. They include pre-deployment AI impact assessments, data quality management processes, model performance monitoring, human oversight mechanisms, incident and nonconformity handling, and supplier AI governance requirements. These controls span the entire AI system lifecycle from initial design through to decommissioning. Monitoring and continual improvement close the PDCA loop. Clause 9 requires organizations to measure AIMS performance against objectives, conduct internal audits to verify conformance, and hold formal management review meetings to assess the continuing suitability and effectiveness of the entire system. The outcomes of management review feed directly into Clause 10, driving corrective actions and system improvements. Let us bring together the essential points about what an AIMS is. To master ISO 42001 and build a certification-ready AI management system, enroll in the full course. Link in the description. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.